Former President Goodluck Jonathan says he has no plan to contest for president again, saying he would diminish himself if he campaigns for election again. A federal high court sitting in Abuja has dismissed a suit challenging the candidacy of Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress. Still on Tinubu, he has offered an explanation about his source of wealth and claimed that he takes money from the Lagos state government coffers. Tinubu said those who question his source of wealth are envious of him. He said he's the most investigated and most accused former governor, yet nothing has been found on him. Explaining how he got his wealth, Tinubu said he turned the value of the real estate he inherited into the wealth he has. The Independent National Electoral Commission has knocked the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, for expressing doubts over the credibility of the bimodal voting accreditation system and results viewing portal, which will be deployed for the 2023 election. The commission expressed shock that the APC candidate could question the efficiency of the technology, which had been used in several polls, including the off-season governorship elections in Ekiti, Osun, and Anambra states. Do you think Tinubu is saying the truth?